Hi, today I'm going to show you how to convert Excel spreadsheets like this one into PDFs using PDF Studio. I'm going to minimize this for now. I'm going to open the PDF Studio application. And the first way I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel spreadsheet into a PDF is through the Convert tab here. I'm going to select from Excel. And we were in the household budget Excel sheet, so I'm going to select that one and press Open. So as you can see, that Excel sheet here has converted nicely into a PDF. You can look it over. And also another way you can go through these and navigate it is through the Bookmarks pane here. And as you can see, I'm going to refer back to the Excel sheet. Those different sheet tabs we had in Excel. There are also bookmarks here, so you can navigate and be more intentional about how you want to look through the PDF. And once you look these over, you can go to the Save As icon and save it. All right, another way I'm going to show you how to convert a Microsoft Excel sheet into a PDF is actually through a different pane, and that's the document pane here. I'm going to select that. I'm going to minimize the application. I'm going to open my folder, my Excel sheets, and I'm going to add the inventory Excel sheet. So I'm going to drag and drop it at the end of those previous sheets. And as you can see, the inventory sheet has merged nicely into a PDF. Once again, you can look that over, and then you can go to the Save As icon here, and you can rename it to differentiate the two and save it. All right, I'm going to close out of all these. Now I'm going to show you the last way to convert an Excel sheet into a PDF. I'm going to minimize the application. I'm going to open my Excel Sheets folder. And I'm going to select the Excel sheet I want to convert and drag and drop it into PDF Studio. And so as you can see, it converted nicely to a PDF. And I can simply go to the Save As icon again and save it. So I've shown you a few different ways on how to convert an Excel sheet into a PDF. Hopefully the tutorial overall was useful for you and you're able to choose the best way for you to convert an Excel sheet into a PDF. Thank you for watching.